If your race trailer won't fit, your garage space is too cramped, and you're tired of stressing out every time the weather rolls in, then this is a video for you.
Let's go check it out.
Welcome back, Pack.
Welcome back, Pack. Ed here with the WolfSteel Marketing Department, and today I'm here with my man James.
Yes, sir.
James, how are you doing, my man?
I'm doing outstanding. I love this building, and it's actually super close. I could have walked here. It's literally 1.4 miles down the street from my house.
That's funny. You could literally walk here, but hey, if you're a car guy, this is the video for you.
Yes, car guys, pay attention. Race car buddies, pay attention. This is a good one for you guys.
Before we get into the main tour, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on all of our socials. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, right?
Yes, sir.
And we're also doing a giveaway, but not just any giveaway. It's a free metal building.
30 by 40, same size as this, not counting the lean-tos. 30 by 40 metal building and concrete.
Yeah.
So make sure you do everything required, because this could be yours.
Dreaming of your own metal shop, garage storage, maybe your own hobby space or workshop? This might be your moment. We're giving a lucky Texan a free metal building. Yes, completely free.
Wow!
And entering is super simple. To enter, tap in our link in our bio or check out our Facebook page and enter now.
Alrighty, James. Wow, man. Beautiful building. Tell the viewers what are the specs on here?
So this building, like you said, it's very close to me. I got to come out here and inspect it when it was completed.
Yeah.
And I was excited for this video because this one kind of speaks to me as a car guy. And I think it, you know, if you're a car guy, definitely pay attention. This is a great building for car guys.
Yes.
Very budget friendly, but still meets all the needs. So we're looking at a 30 by 40 tubular steel building. So it's 30 wide, 40 deep, and then 12-foot leg height. And then this side we have, for the full 40-foot, we have a 12-foot lean-to. So it's 12 foot on this side, drops to a 10-foot on that side.
Yes.
So the main building, we're like a 312 pitch, and this is like a 1.5 12.
Gotcha.
So this gives him enough room to park his car trailer, race car trailer, because some of these race car trailers, I mean, they're, you know, 6 digits sometimes.
Right.
So
and
you want to keep it.
This one looks pretty pricey too.
Yeah, I've been inside of this one. This one's very, very nice.
Wow.
So you want to safeguard this. You want to make sure it lasts. So you keep it out of the Texas heat as much as possible, the sun, so it doesn't just get baked. And then, you know, we get hail out here, we get high winds, stuff like that. So this protects it and it'll make it last a lot longer.
Beautiful. As far as colors, James, what are we working with the colors? Because it's a beautiful color combination what we have
It is. And Mother Nature's kind of playing with our lighting right now. But so the trims are, and the roof panels are burnished slate. And then the wall panels and the base trims are ash gray.
Beautiful.
And then we have a black 12-foot by 12-foot door.
Wow.
So it really works well.
Gotcha. As far as the door, James, you mentioned 12 by 12.
Yes.
How important is to have a door this size for, you know, car purposes, car needs, trailer needs?
Right.
Talk to us about that.
It's definitely important. So 12 by 12, man, is a perfect fit. You have a dually truck that you need to pull in and do service on. If you have, come on, puppy, you want to be on YouTube?
Unexpected guest here.
Hi.
It's all right.
Good to see you again. No, so a 12 by 12 door is awesome. If you have a dually, you know, you got to pull in. If you have to do service on the trailer, if you hurt your car at the racetrack or anything like that, and you got to back the trailer partially in or anything like that.
Yeah.
Because we service trucks, we service race cars, we service trailers. So this door really helps, especially if you have a car, you know, say like on mine is a flatbed. So I may have a car or a truck on top, so you need the vertical clearance.
Yeah.
So this is 12 by 12 is amazing.
Perfect. And it comes with automatic door openers for this
Correct.
one, right?
Yep. This one has an automatic opener. You just bump, opens up, and you're good.
Awesome. Into this lean-to side, James, talk to us the uniqueness about this lean-to.
So I love lean-tos. Like I already said, I wish I would have done a lean-to on mine. Mine's just a basic box, but a lean-to is nice because you have an area to kind of sit. You know, if you're working, sweating your butt off and everything, working on a car or anything like that, you can still just chill and get out of the sun. Gotcha. You're not inside the building. You get fresh air out here and everything like that. You get a nice view of your yard. You can do a fire pit and everything out here.
Yes.
These are really nice, whether you're using it for storage or whether you're just using it for a chill spot, hang a ceiling fan or anything like that, and you'll be good always.
But James, I wanted to talk to you real quick when it comes to the header here.
Yes.
You have a 15-foot header,
yes,
as you can see from here. Talk to us, why did we do that? Why did the client opt in for that actually?
The header's required. If we hadn't done the header, you have 5-foot leg spacing for the trusses and the legs. So you would have had a leg here, and a leg here. So if you're sitting here, you know, enjoying your evening, having a cold beverage or whatever, then you have this, you know, this leg right in front of your face.
Yeah.
So we do a header here. and it supports all that weight, and so you don't have to worry about, you know, this isn't all in your face. This is all wide open space. It's a lot nicer way to do it.
And then moving on to this side of the doors, this is did we provide this door, or the client provided?
We did not. The client provided. So we are capable. We can do custom doors and windows. The client provides as long as they're on site. This one the client installed after the fact, so we haven't finished. She hasn't finished up the trimming. But this is a really cool custom door. You can access, open this, swing it in and out, and then if you want, you can unlatch it, and this all accordions to the side.
Wow.
So
beautiful.
This will be all open. So whether it's moving stuff in and out, or you just want access to go back and forth, fresh air, breeze, stuff like that, it's a really nice addition.
And then now let's work our way inside the building, because I know the client has been working on his building. He's been working on his car as well, but and so it's still under lots of moving and construction. So
yes,
but let's
groundwork, everything like that. You know, and even still working here. They did recently move. From St. Louis to Texas, so
awesome.
You know, they have only been here a couple months actually. This is one of the first purchases, so they had a place to put the race car trailer, the race cart, everything like that.
A new project can be tedious. Finding the correct contractor for your concrete, building, insulation, etc. It's a lot. We know. We've seen it from various customers, which is why we've combined everything in one place just for you. We handle everything for you to make sure you have your building your way. We do tubular and red iron metal buildings, bolt-ups to weld-ups, concrete, site preparation, demolition work, polished concrete, polyura, or concrete coatings, permitting assistance to make sure you are clear with the city and HOA, various insulation options like spray foam, fiberglass, and solar reflective insulation. Gutter system, custom accessories to stand out against your neighbor, custom overhead and roll-up doors, cedar posts or encasements, various service door options or windows to match your aesthetics, mezzanines or balconies available, or bolt-ups to give you that additional vertical space. Electrical is in the beta and available close to our office here in Fort Worth, Texas. Limited landscaping options and masonry to match your home or get that HOA approval. Everything you need in one place. Whether you're a business owner needing warehouse space, or a car enthusiast needing a garage, or just anyone looking for a strong custom metal building, we've got you covered. Our clients choose not because we're the cheapest, but because of what we stand for. Keep in mind, we do not service outside of our service areas. We do not provide just materials or just metal building kits. We don't just do concrete or spray foam. We do full turnkey Texas metal building projects. If you fall within our service area, contact us today. If not, I hope our channel can help you with your metal building project.
And this is the 1 inch, 2 inch spray foam.
This one's 1 inch.
Gotcha. And then
1 inch roof.
So when it comes to the spray foam, again, beautiful addition to a metal building. Why would we go with the spray foam and not the 1 inch spray foam and not a 2 inch?
So it's really personal preference, and it kind of goes to, you know, cost or how much time you're going to spend out here. If you were going to like run a business out here, you know, you're going to set up a desk and, you know, do 3D printing, or this is like an office space, or you are just religiously out here, then maybe you want to do 2-2. So it kind of depends. This is more seasonal. He does bracket racing, so you know, this may be just on nice days that you would be out here, not all the time.
Not all the time. So occasionally spend some time here, but not the whole day.
Right.
Yeah, gotcha. And then when it comes to the framing as well, this is single leg, double leg.
This is single leg. So at a 12-foot leg height, it's just going to be the single legs. If we would go up to, you know, start hitting 14 foot, then it goes to a double leg. Taller than that, it's double with spacer and everything like that. So this is just single leg, 14 gauge, 2.5 inch square tubing.
A 30 by 40 for a size like this, you're able to fit 2 cars pretty good with good fitment here.
Easily. You could actually fit, if you didn't have a lot of wall, you know, things on the walls like shelves or toolboxes, you can actually fit 4 pretty comfortably.
Wow.
Depends on what you want to use it for.
Yeah.
You know, if you want to lift right in the middle, and if it's dedicated just for your race car, or if you're like some of us that have multiple cars, you know, and kind of hoard engines and car parts, and you know, you got 12 toolboxes and stuff like that, then you know, you can kind of play with it. You know, so even if you're doing a lift, you know, we always do the lift squares, you know, the reinforcement squares. If you know exactly where your lift's going to go, then we can plan accordingly. We can put the reinforcement squares 4 foot by 4 foot by 12 inches deep.
Wow.
If you don't know, you could always plus up the slab to 5 inches, and then you can move if that's a 2-post lift, you can put a 2-post lift anywhere.
Wow.
Or if you said, okay, well, now my son's getting a race car or something like that, you can do 2 two posts. You can pretty much do whatever you want in here. It gives you a lot of flexibility.
Again, it's a very beautiful building, and the client's going to be adding his electrical as well. So I love how you were able to come out here and give us a little bit of tour of when it comes to a building like this, when it comes to adding maybe some race cars in here, because you're the car enthusiast. So,
yes.
So you know this. And as far as the car, let's talk about a little bit about this car, man.
This is a 64 Falcon.
Wow.
So it's a little pony car.
Yeah.
It's a big tire car.
Wow.
Small block. I think it's a 408 Windsor,
Wow.
if I remember right from a couple months ago when we talked. So it's a Ford. It's a bracket car. He picked it up and he started racing when he was in St. Louis. Him and his wife just loved going out and meeting track people and meeting car enthusiasts. Because car guys are the nicest guys. We kind of stick together.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's a beautiful car. It's a fun car. It's a consistent car, and he's met tons of great people, at the racetrack and everything like that. And
awesome.
it is rowdy.
It is rowdy.
He fired it up last time I was here. It sounds amazing.
That's awesome.
It's a fun car.
Wow. And then as far as the doors and the tracks, what kind of tracks are these, James, real quick?
So these, since we're at a 12-foot leg height and we're at a 12-foot door, we could just use the common track that just puts it, parallel to the ground. Mm-hmm. If it had been a shorter door or a taller building, you can do like a follow the roof line or a high track.
Gotcha.
Or even if this was ridiculously tall, you can do a vertical track where the door just goes up straight up.
Really?
So there's different options when it comes to tracks and doors and things like that.
And now moving into a little bit more deep inside the building real quick, I noticed this header, James, here on this side of the building going out to the lean-to. Talk to us again for that header. Why did we decide to do a header on this side?
So if we didn't do a header here, we'd be limited to 5 foot, the 5 foot leg spacing. So you could only put a door in between those. Gotcha. So anytime you want to expand or say this was the perfect place for a door and it just knocks out this one leg, you'd have to go with a header. Gotcha. You want to be able to spread that, disperse the weight bearing, the load. And so here we have a double with spacer because we're intersecting these two legs. And then that gives us a nice solid foundation to be able to attach the door to and not have interrupted with the legs.
Wow. So again, you're the car guy then in the building coordinator. So you have all the knowledge out here in the world for a building like this. So this is a perfect size for you.
It is. 30 by 40 is really, it's one of our most popular sizes. Not everyone has, 10 acres that they can just do like a 50 by 100. Not everyone has Powerball money, So 30 by 40 is very cost effective. Even this building with the concrete. So the driveway was only 15 foot wide.
Yes.
We doubled the concrete. So you have a nice approach, for the entire width of it. We have the concrete under both lean-tos. We have both lean-tos. And still, I want to say, if I remember right, this building with the spray foam, with the door and the openers was still under 60.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's very affordable. 30 by 40 is a great size. You can fit plenty of cars in here, for hobbies, things like that. So it is a great size.
You mentioned it was maybe close to under 60K, right?
Right.
So does that include the race car and the race
trailer?
Nope,
no race car, race trailer. You got to provide that yourself. But it is, the concrete under here. This had to be extended so we could push the building back a little bit away from the main, the main dwelling's garage.
Well, that wraps up this video pack. Again, I hope y'all were able to get a lot of knowledge and value from this beautiful tour. It wasn't a long tour that we expected, but hey, we made it happen, James. Again, thank you for coming onto the video.
Absolutely.
Giving us a quick tour of this awesome, beautiful tubular metal building. Again, any last words you want to say to our viewers or to everyone who's watching?
No, just if you have any questions, reach out. I mean, we have a great crew, great group of salesmen that are very knowledgeable in, trailer fitment or RV fitment or, electrical, things like that of what can best fit you and your needs and set you up with a beautiful building like this.
We do have a giveaway as well, James.
We do.
And the winner can win a flag,
yes,
a shirt, or a hat.
Yes.
Right. So what is that question? If you were tuning in, pay attention to the question here.
So since we're car related on this one, I'm going to give you a hard one. What do the numbers 15426378 mean to you?
Man, and
as a follow-up, if you want a second, 2 giveaway prizes.
Okay.
What is the importance of the 7 and 8?
Wow.
Being close together.
Man, that's a tough one.
That's for my car guys. That's for my old school car guys.
Gotcha. Man, if you're a car guy, again, I hope you get this answer right. Leave it down in the comment section below. And if you get the answer right, the first one that gets the answer right will win that flag or a hat or that shirt.
Or maybe both.
If you get both right, you get both 2 items. Man, you can't beat that.
Yep.
But anyways, Pack, again, follow us on all our socials. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the whole shebang, right,
Yep.
James?
And don't forget, giving away a free 30x40, not the race cars, not the race car trailers, but 30x40 with concrete. So make sure you like, subscribe, follow all the rules and all the links, and you'll be good.
Awesome. That's basically it.
That's it.
We'll see you in the next one, Pack. Let's go.
Let's go.
What's up, Pack? Remember to stay up to date with everything that we're up to by checking out our social media. You can find us at WolfSteel Buildings for behind the scenes action. We share our latest projects, update on what the team is working on, and all the exciting progress happening in real time. Don't miss out on the action, and remember to give us a follow.
If you're having water coming in through your garage door, it's probably because you didn't do this.